Jarifam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, recently I saw Kendall Jenner doing her summer spring French girl makeup look on Vogue Beauty, and I was so inspired by it. And since we are already in summer, I thought I am also going to recreate that look. Now I'm not saying it will be exactly what she did or how she did, but I'll just try and imitate her and just add on my few steps if required. Just recreating that entire look with the products that I have, using all the drugstore makeup products, so that you don't need to spend a lot, and on all the things that Kendall was using, you can actually make and recreate that look with whatever you have. So I was just so inspired, and I liked in the end the way she just gave that red lipstick touch to it. So I love that look, and I thought I really need to recreate that. And since you guys also like watching Vogue Beauty videos, I was like, this is my time to make it. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. And sounds good. I'm just gonna apply my Garnier moisturizer. I always say you can apply anything you have, so just applying that, hydrating my eyes. This is the gua sha which I purchased from Studio West. It go to any West Side stores and you will find their in-house makeup cosmetic brand, that is Studio West. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it on my eyes like this, how Kendall did. And yeah, just massaging it a little bit like this, a little bit. Feels absolutely good. I just love the way it smells and the way it just brings so much of life back on my face. For my moisturizer, I'm gonna use my Garnier moisturizer. It's hot, by the way, like Mumbai is hot. It's summers. Okay, then in the skincare category, we are gonna use sunscreen today because that's what she used, and we are trying to recreate her beauty secret, her makeup look. So yeah. Then just to finish off the look again, we are gonna spritz the same Pilgrim face mist. Guys, this face mist literally makes me feel as if I am on an island. I'm not even kidding. Like, get your hands on Pilgrim face toner. What she did is she used a foundation and applied it with her finger. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to use my standard K-Beauty foundation, just taking a little bit on the back of my hand. Always like blending out foundation with fingers. Like, trust me, makeup, the more you blend with your fingers now, it gives a very natural finish. So whenever you're in a hurry, you just want a very natural finish, this is the thing. Just blend out your stuff with your fingers itself, and a very nice, like my skin but better kind of vibe. Just go on if you see my videos a year back, I had acne. I was also dealing with a lot of acne issues, but with proper guidance from my doormat, use of proper products, and little by little it made a huge impact on my skin. Concealer, I'm gonna go with my House of Makeup concealer. 2 dot. Nice. Be very loving and kind towards your skin as well. It's also part of your body, so be very gentle and nice. And it's okay at the end if you have a lot of acne, just still be confident in your skin. That's the best thing. This is Lakme BB contour. This once, but I really like it. The only drawback is it dries a bit quick. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna try and contour the way Kendall did. So just placing it here. And now Kendall said that she's also very obsessed with contouring. I don't need a lot of contouring as such. Yeah, if you're someone with a big face, and contour really always helps to cut off. But this looks good, not bad. Like, see, this is how beautiful this cream contour is from Lakme. So check out. Just gonna place it here. And I'm gonna place it and blend it first, because as I said, this sets really fast. So you gotta be very quick, while applying this contour. So yeah, just ensure that you're applying it and blending it as quickly as you can. gonna use the Balm bronzer. This is with this where I've just applied my cream contouring, just like this, making all the weird faces because that's what she did. Contour is also a very good thing, guys. I want to find it. And then she just applied the same. I'm gonna use my Earth Rhythm lip and cheek tint because we're gonna do a nice red lip. So I thought this blush will really complement very well. Again, it's a very berry blush. It looks a bit much, but it's not that much. On the back of my hand, pick it up on our brush and pop and pop. What exactly she did. And yes, it may look a lot, but we will work it out. Do not worry. I think Kendall was in such a beachy place in her mind that she went, with that nice sunburned, like glowy look. But honestly, it's a very good makeup look in itself. It's so simple to do this makeup. It's just so simple to create this, and it will look so good on a lot of skin tones and so sunburned, as if I've literally went on a beach and I've come in. Now for my highlighter, she used some Lumi cream, and guess what, we do have one, and that is none other than one from Lakme. This is the Lakme Lumi cream. So I'm also going to use the same as my highlighter, just taking bit on my finger. I think Kendall also did not use a lot of like makeup brushes or anything. She tried and used as much, she tried and use her fingers itself. So you're also going to do the same and just dab, 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 dab. Look at that glow, you guys. Now I want to go on a beach. Yep. Budget highlighter slash strobing cream slash just something which will add a little bit of shine on your face, then this is the product for you. She went on to her brows, if I'm not wrong, so I'm also going to do the same. Just just first combing out my brows. Now for my brow journey, if I have to talk about, I've always kept my brows thick. I don't think I've ever been into that trend of having like the most patla, most slim trim brows or anything. I've always just kept my brows very natural, and I've always removed the extra brows, and I think I don't need to do a lot. But again, at times when I just need a little bit, I'll just put it I'll just add color over here and in the front, because that's the place where I need a little bit of dimension. Otherwise I don't do a lot, just add. But by the way, Kendall has really good brows. Like, I could not find any sparse area in her brows, to be honest. So just look what you have and just try and work towards it. That's it. My lip balm is from Indie Wild. I have been loving this lip balm, you guys. Always, it's just so thick and so glossy. That's just one swipe, like one swipe of this lip balm, and it's just like a dream. Brows are done. Now let's move on to setting the blush and the contour. Again, went ahead and used another bronzer. So I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Super Revolution bronzer, picking it up on my brush and warming my face again. Personally, I don't use so much of bronzer, but clearly Kendall is a huge fan of such bronzed up face. It looks good. It's clearly a beach vibe. So, and she already admitted that she loves a good beach. And what my Pinterest is filled with is makeup images, day and night. I'm just gonna finish off my blush using this standard normal blush from Sugar Pop. I don't remember the shade, but pop, 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 and pop, 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 pop. That's it. Now to set my face, I'm just gonna use a very normal standard compact powder, just picking it up on my beauty blender because I personally like to use my powders, use my compact powder with my beauty blender. So I'm actually getting vibe that I'm on a beach. I just need to wear my hat, just my beachy clothes, and just go on a beach and chill and relax and never come back to the world. So she stuck to very basic brown eyeshadows. So I'm gonna use my elf palette, and it has these 2-3 basic brown shades, and this and this too. It normally, nicely, blending it really well. Do the same on the other eye. And always invest in a good brown eyeshadow palette, you guys. Always. Swiss Beauty has some good eyeshadow palettes. Nika K, even Mars. These are some good eyeshadow palettes, so you can check them out. I'm just gonna pick up this shade over here. And she personally is not a fan of shimmery eyes, so she skipped out on shimmer. I'm just gonna pick up my blender brush and just blend out things well because I just want to eyes. Let's quickly move on to mascara. I have black lashes, but then they are not long at all and they are just like down. It just doesn't have life. Like my lashes have zero life. Like it's just zero for me. I'm just gonna go and curl up my lashes. I'm this video on a Saturday. Maybelline mascara. Maybelline's just make amazing mascaras, so always look out for their mascara. I feel their mascaras are so affordable and just so good. Like, can you like really see that? Applying it so much everywhere. Trick is let your mascara dry and then just wipe it off. It will come off easily. When it's wet, please don't wipe it off at that time. It's gonna create a mess for you. So that is lipstick, and she used a very nice cherry red kind of lipstick. Color Chemistry lip and cheek crayon. Amazing stuff. I've loved their stuff so much. These lip crayons are worth your investment. So just applying it and mixing it lipstick. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, but I am absolutely in love with the way the entire look has just turned out. And to finish it off, I'm just gonna spritz again this face mist on my face. Clearly I'm obsessed with this stuff. That's it. That is my final look. This is my version of recreating the iconic Kendall Jenner Spring French Girl makeup look. I think it's a very beautiful look if you're just stepping out at night for some dinners. This red lip just adds a lot of element to it, but you can also replace it with any of your pink or brown nudes because this is a very versatile look and any lip shade will go on with it, and it's a makeup look that you can actually do on a beach, in parties, at brunches, anything. It's just very classic and very good. So this is my version of my French girl makeup look. I hope you guys liked my video. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on my channel, and I will continue seeing you in my videos. Until then, bye, take care. Thank you.